Hello everyone, join me as I dive deep into the cleaning industry and challenge myself to uncover the true potential of my cleaning business. Remember that it can be done without cleaning any homes yourself and can be done remotely. Click the affiliate link below in the description for more information. Understanding the potential of a cleaning business is crucial for aspiring entrepreneurs, as it sets the tone for their entire venture. It's the difference between mediocrity and success, and it's what separates those who truly thrive from those who just get by. Many people think that starting a cleaning business is a no-brainer, that it's a simple, low-profit venture that doesn't require much effort or strategy. They think that anyone can do it, and that there's no real scope for growth or innovation. But these misconceptions couldn't be further from the truth. In reality, the cleaning industry is highly competitive, and it takes a lot of hard work and dedication to stand out from the crowd. One common misconception is that cleaning businesses are only good for low-profit, one-off jobs. But what about the long-term contracts that can bring in a steady stream of revenue? What about the opportunities to diversify and offer specialized services that set you apart from the competition? The truth is, a cleaning business can be incredibly profitable if you're willing to put in the effort to build it. Another myth is that cleaning businesses are only suited for small, local operations. But what about the massive commercial contracts that can bring in tens of thousands of dollars per month? What about the opportunities to scale and expand into new markets? The truth is, a cleaning business can be as big or as small as you want it to be. Cleaning businesses are often seen as simple, unglamorous ventures that don't require much skill or expertise. But what about the advanced equipment and techniques required to tackle specialized jobs like crime scene cleanup or hazmat removal? What about the extensive training and certifications needed to handle sensitive areas like healthcare facilities or schools? The truth is, a cleaning business requires a high level of skill, expertise, and attention to detail. There are so many different avenues for growth in the cleaning business, from residential to commercial to specialized services like window cleaning or carpet cleaning. And then there are the market trends to consider, like the growing demand for eco-friendly cleaning products or the increasing importance of sustainability in business practices. The truth is, the cleaning industry is constantly evolving, and there are always new opportunities to adapt and innovate. One of the key insights I've gained is that innovation and diversification are the keys to unlocking the true potential of a cleaning business. By continuously seeking out new and better ways to do things, and by offering specialized services that meet the changing needs of your customers, you can stay ahead of the curve and achieve remarkable success. For example, what about offering customized cleaning packages tailored to specific industries or niches? What about developing proprietary cleaning products or equipment that set you apart from the competition? What about partnering with other businesses to offer joint services or promotions? The possibilities are endless, and the potential for growth is vast. By thinking outside the box and pushing the boundaries of what's possible, you can take your cleaning business to places you never thought possible. You can achieve a level of success and profitability that you never dreamed of, and you can build a business that truly stands out from the crowd. In conclusion, the potential of a cleaning business is vast and varied, and it's up to each individual entrepreneur to seize it. By understanding the scope of your business, by challenging yourself to innovate and diversify, and by staying ahead of the curve, you can achieve remarkable success and build a business that truly thrives. So, what do you think? What are your thoughts on the cleaning business and its potential for growth? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about business strategies or entrepreneurship, be sure to check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching.